come back, go to Trader Joe's, then go back that girl. I'm all up and down these streets. Anyway. So, hello, my lovely flowers. My name is Nia. I am a floral designer and owner of Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and we're located in Riverside. I have been doing flowers for 2 decades, so 20 years doing flowers. I started way back in the day when I just took a few classes at community college and I was off and running. Now I run a six-figure floral company that I love, love, love. And it's so much fun just to do flowers. I don't really like doing too much of the high end stuff. I particularly like dealing with couples that, stay within the $10,000 to $15,000 range when it comes to flowers. So I guess you could say it's not like the luxury, but it's still nice. So anyway, I had one of my followers ask a question about what do she need when she goes freelancing. And I can tell you what I do and then also what I ask um, my freelancers when they come to help me out. Usually, when we use freelancers or when we have like a really, really big event and we need tons and tons of help to do something. So, this is normally what I do. So, first and foremost, I like to get a little bit of detail of what I'm going to be doing. So is this a wedding? Is it a birthday? What are we going to be doing? And most of the times, the florist or whoever is hiring you give you a little bit of detail of what's going on. I always dress in all black, very professional. I usually wear a polo shirt, which is very breathable, and then I wear black slacks and very comfortable black loafers so that they're very comfortable. I also carry a tool, what would you call a tool belt, and I just got it off of Amazon. It's really, really cute, and that's where I'll keep my floral knife, my clippers. I'll keep wire clippers. Sorry, you guys, you may hear stuff because my housekeepers are here cleaning up, and they're right above me in my master bedroom. Anyway, I will bring, what do I say, wire snips, gauge wire on the ring, and what else do I keep in that little thing? I keep chapstick, and what else do I keep? I think that's all that's in there. Yeah, that's all that's in my little tool belt. Now I also bring a toolbox, and in my toolbox I have some of everything, and in that I will keep just everything you could think of. I have pins. I have uh, tape. I have uh, zip ties. I have stem scrapers. I have cutters. I have just everything you could think of and anything. And I'll list a list below in the description box on everything that you need. So I also bring that with me. Then, what else do I do? I also um, arrive. So what time I'm supposed to be there, I also arrive about 30 minutes before the actual event start because you want to show that you're professional, that you're here to work. Now, when I also freelance too, I make sure I act like this is my business. I would not want to pay anybody because I think for like me, I get paid. My freelancing now is I charge $50 an hour. I know a lot of people, like when I hire people, depending on their experience, I do 20 to 30, depending on this, but I'm an expert. I can copy anybody's style just about now from working so long that I do charge quite a bit to freelance for people. And I don't really do it that often. I do it every now and then. I think I'm a freelance for a girl in a couple of weeks, but Yeah, but we're friends. So I do it, like I said, every now and then. But those are basically the things that I kind of do for freelancing. Like I said, I'm going to list down below, like everything that you guys will need in order to freelance. It's like I said, it's an excellent, excellent way um, for you to kind of get your understand how the business work on that side, and then also understand on how different people run things. Like I said, I've been to people and I'm like, oh, that's a good idea to do this, or oh, that looks, I definitely want to do that. That wastes a lot of time. So you get to find out a lot of different things for your own business to see what works and what doesn't work. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you guys out. And to, if you guys want to freelance, if you have your own business and want to see how that worked, you guys can take that information with you. All right, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys want to know anything about business wise or anything, just let me know. I'll be happy to let you guys know. Bye. It's hard to get back into doing the vlogging thing because you're like so used to not doing anything. When it's time to start doing stuff, you don't do it. So I woke up at about 5. I stayed in the bed until it's 7 o'clock. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Oh my God, 5, 7. And because I am addicted to audiobooks. So, or just reading, period. Because when I get bored of audiobooks, then I'll start reading books. And oh my gosh, that's like my favorite pastime is reading. So I really don't watch TV and I don't really do anything else. I used to watch YouTube a lot, but what I started noticing with me is that I would like see stuff and want it. And so I was just spending so much money on purses, clothes, and I still do, but I'm not as bad as I used to be. And I noticed because I stopped really watching a lot of YouTube videos on the girlies who will, go shopping and all that. And like, I got money, but I ain't got money like that. So anyway, you guys, today I need to go pick up flowers because I'm going to do a tutorial on a wedding party. And I mean, not a wedding party, how to, I was looking at some suggestions on YouTube videos and how to decorate a dinner party. And so my auntie is having a birthday party tomorrow. We're doing high tea. So we're going to do that. And then I have a order that I have to complete. One of my planners, she had the wrong date, you guys, for her event. So I had bought my flowers last Friday, but I had turned my floral refrigerator down really, really low. And they'll last for like 3 weeks so I'm going to do those. Excuse me. And then I have like another birthday party for my uncle. So we'll going to do a tutorial on just setting up that event. So we got 3 things going on. We're starting late this week. You get to see me waking up. I'm just getting up. I'm about to go get ready for the day, wake up my little girl and go take her to her grandmother's and then do a really quick arrangement, excuse me, for another, she's a caterer. So the caterer that we seen 2 weeks ago, yeah, because I uploaded this week's video, which was 2 weeks ago, and then we'll upload this week, which, yeah, is at the end of the month. Anyway, all right, you guys, let's get ready to go. I'll see you in a second once I'm in my lovely vehicle headed towards, dang, I'm going to drop my daughter off, come back, go to Trader Joe's, then go back I'm all up and down these streets. Anyway, bye. Okay, lovely flowers. So you'll get a little snippet of the centerpieces that I did today for the event. I like the one that I did yesterday. I'll show you when I got out of my car to deliver it. I like it a little bit better because you guys know I love muted colors. This one that I did today, it has like a little bit more, I put like hot pink flowers in it thinking, you know, because I wanted to balance the yellow, the hot pink, and the orange, bring in some more brighter colors. So you guys will see it. I think I liked the one yesterday better because it was like really soft. But if you guys notice my my look, I'm very romantic with my style, and when it comes to romance, I think it deals more with like lighter colors. So anyway, yesterday we dropped off some centerpieces. I mean, not centerpieces, drop off chairs for an event this lady is doing. And then I did that delivery. And then I went and got flowers yesterday. Today, I did the flowers for this event. It's my auntie's event. Birthday. We're going to have a tea party. So I'm going to show you how to do a really cute tea party look with summer flowers. And the flowers are in my subscription box. Lord, every time I'm trying to start something, I never finish something. So yeah, so it's my subscription box for this month. And what else? So I'm about to go. I gotta go blow dry my hair out. And you're going to see me, next time you see me, I'm going to be looking gorgeous with makeup on, my hair done, and ready for this high tea. Hello, my lovely flowers. So it is Sunday. I am exhausted. What I do? So yesterday, you saw I went to the tea party. Then last night I went with my husband to a party at night. I had too much to drink. And then this morning I had to do my flowers. You guys will see a tutorial on that and just a little snippet of it you should have seen. And so now I need to go and set up for my party for my uncle. I am going to do these flowers really quick. I just needed like 30 minutes to sit down. Tomorrow, I am not doing anything. And then let's see, next week, you know what? I really don't have any events. So we're just going to, I guess next week's video, I guess I'm going to plan out. Maybe I'll talk to you guys about some marketing ideas in a sit down video. And then we'll just go through a week of not doing anything, which is so crazy. I hardly don't ever have a week of not doing anything. So anyway, you guys, watch me as we set up for this event and in my beautiful backyard. And then that'll be it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. And if you would like, go ahead over and join my subscription. And we have a couple of videos coming this week. And you guys have a blessed and amazing week. Bye.